Anthony, I want to start with Rivian because you actually were the only trading platform to offer Rivian shares to retail investors. Just how big was demand?
There was a lot of demand. It was obviously a very attractive IPO for investors that are looking to invest in innovation and also invest in a new platform for vehicles. Obviously, on the EV platform, we had about $300 million of demand from our member base for the IPO, and we were able to deliver at least one share to everyone that confirmed the order and had funding. But obviously, we were well oversubscribed like the rest of the deal, so not everyone got 100% of their confirmed orders, but everyone did get a share.
Well oversubscribed. Can you tell us how oversubscribed?
Sure. The demand was very strong, well in excess of the supply that we had. I can't get into details beyond that.
Do you wish it could have gotten more? You got 0.4%. And how much did this pay off for SoFi?
Well, the way we think about it is we want to deliver a value proposition for our members where we're a one-stop shop across all the major financial products that someone needs in their lives and to build a lifetime relationship. Investing is one of those areas, and having different selection within investing is important. We're the only place that offers single stocks without commission, fractional shares, ETFs, robo-advisory accounts, cryptocurrency, and IPOs, and that's another piece of differentiated selection. So yes, we would love to have more supply. We clearly have the demand for it, and we want to continue to bring the best selection and most unique selection to our members so they can get their money right.
We saw Coinbase and Robinhood report disappointing results, for at least as far as investors were concerned. Your stock, on the other hand, soaring on the back of your report. What do you think is driving that optimism?
Yeah, I think a few things stick out because we are building this one-stop shop for financial services products on your mobile device. We have businesses that benefit in a low interest rate environment, and then other businesses that benefit in a high interest rate environment. We also have businesses that benefit from stay at home as well as reopening. So we've been able to navigate through the volatile environment of going through those different cycles over the last 2 years. We had a record quarter of revenue, which exceeded Q2, which was a record in itself. That was driven by strong performance across all three of our diverse businesses. And so the diversity that we deliver to our consumers translates into a more diverse revenue base. And there are companies that are missing because they're only in brokerage, they're only in lending, or they're only in categories that benefited from stay at home. Because we are a one-stop shop, we have that breadth of businesses and three that can offset each other in good times in one area versus the next. So continuity and consistency is really important. And we're proud of the fact that we delivered not just Q3, but we still see strong momentum into Q4 and gave guidance for accelerating revenue growth to 49 to 55% year over year.
Talk to us about the future of crypto on the platform. How many more cryptocurrencies do you want to add? And can you share what you're considering?
Yeah, we started the year with 5 different coins on the platform. We've now expanded to over 30. We'll continue to add selection, and we have a very specific criteria of what qualifies to be an asset on the platform. We're also looking at other things beyond the assets that I mentioned and alternative asset classes down the road. We want to give Main Street investors the access to investing vehicles that are similar to high net wealth individuals, and the ability to deliver an IPO at IPO prices is quite unique. We think there's an opportunity to do that in other asset classes as well.